Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole. So I just got home. I also just got back from Walmart, and what you are not seeing right now is the mess that is in my apartment right now. I officially moved in yesterday and I have not unpacked anything. So you can kind of see it a little bit, but there is a huge mess in my apartment right now. And in today's video, I will take you all with me through the process of cleaning and organizing my apartment. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. So first things first, like I just said, I just got home from Walmart and I also went to Walmart yesterday with my family. These videos are kind of all over the place, a little bit to me, maybe not to you, I'm not sure. But yes, I went to Walmart yesterday with my family, and so I figured I may as well start this video off with a grocery haul slash what we got from Walmart. So let's just go ahead and get that out of the way. So I am a big snack person. So first things first, I got some buttery round crackers. I also got some string cheese. Of course, I had to get some chips. And of course, I had to get some ramen. I love ramen. I got some rice packets just because these are so easy to make. I actually got a few of these. I also got some oatmeal just in case I want something easy to make in the morning. I got salad mix. My favorite salad dressing is ranch, so I also got some ranch. I also wanted to make meal prepping and lunch just really easy for work, so I also got some bread, and to go with that I got some ham and some American cheese. I also got some hot dog bread, some hot dog weenies, tater tots, and I got 2 things of yogurt. I also got some tea. I got some biscuits, like the kind that you pop out of the can and then roll up. You know what I'm talking about. I got some biscuits. Green beans, honey buns, Pop-Tarts, but I don't really eat Pop-Tarts like that, so these will probably last a long time. Oatmeal cream pies. I just had a taste for them today. Honestly, these will probably last for a long time too because I don't really eat these like that either. And of course, I had to get some candy. If you know me, I have a huge sweet tooth, so I got this huge thing of candy. Oh yeah, and I also got some eggs, but they're all the way on the other side of the apartment right now, waiting for me to put them in the refrigerator. And with my family, I got these 2 bath mats. Everything I got is from Walmart, so I'm not going to continue to repeat that. I also got this allergy medicine that you can tell I've already opened. I got Claritin and Zodiac. And I got some more protein bars, got some utensils, some toothpaste, shampoo, some more conditioner, face wash, dish soap, dryer sheets, sponges, more conditioner, and I got some headbands just to have some, shower gel. And I thought these socks were so cute and so comfortable looking. Look at them. I love the top of them. So even though I don't really need these, I got these because I thought they were so cute and they look like they would be so comfortable. I also got a new mattress pad. Of course, I got some laundry detergent, a new comforter, a new hair wrap, some disinfecting wipes, which are super important, especially right now, and just moving into a new apartment. That's so important to have. And of course, I got an iron. I also have some kitchen bags, something to scrub my dishes, some disinfectant spray, and I got this really cute pink pepper spray. And right now you all are leaning on the drawers that I will use in my closet. I'm using it as a stand right now, but yeah, so I also have that. I don't think, oh, and I have a few more things laying around the apartment, so you all will see them as I am organizing and cleaning my apartment. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started.
Really good first date with you and all, but
I felt that too.
I just checked Twitter and your birthday is in August, like you're a Leo.
No, she's one.
As a Pisces,
What's your zodiac sign? Do you think I'm fine? Am I wasting your time? Wait, because you looking divine, do you want to be mine? No, I see it as fine, okay. She got me slipping and sliding, she hold, she riding, she closing her eyelids, she feels. Just so you know, I'm a Leo, I'm worth like 2 people, that makes us a trio, ideal, alright?
What are you doing, Monty?
I'm breaking bread like a Pisces, catch me emotional, that's highly unlikely. And I can't have no outburst, she thinks of me highly. Split personality, just like she's Miley. But it ain't my life been a movie, just like I'm Leo. No, it ain't prom night, I'm dancing like Rio. Hit it, she claimed that she low when I dance around her, but her feelings dance around me. 2-faced little baby, you're the 4th OG. And yes, I'm a Leo, don't talk about me. Yeah, I'll slide you my birth chart. Anyway, do you still wanna go out with me? Salmon and trout on the plate, scarf it down with me. I make her whole, but she only took half of me. Slacking, I'm never lacking. I'm on a quest and I'm not talking dragon. No, I'm not toothless. Got in the car and she gave me her tulips. Asked what she smelled like, I'm telling her tulips. But I'm still a zodiac killer. I take her soul with the bag and a zipper. I'm a Leo who eat Pisces for dinner. What's your zodiac sign? Do you think I'm fine? Am I wasting your time? Wait, because is you looking divine? Do you want to be mine? No, I see it as fine. Okay. She got me slipping and sliding. She hold.
What you just saw me do is organize this basket that's going to go under my bathroom cabinet. So as you can see, this just has like my shampoos, my hair oils, my more natural hair products like the Cantus that I use, and just the regular conditioner. I also have my face wash in here, some lotion, and I like to spray some perfume on myself when I go to sleep or before I go to bed. So that's just that. And yeah, just a bunch of products like that. And all of that basically fit in here. And I'm just going to put this under my bathroom counter.
Tell me your sign and I'm Thraxin. Zodiac killer on top of the fraction.
Okay, since that bathroom scene where I put the stuff up in the bathroom, I have actually done a lot. My phone was about to die, so I couldn't really show you much. But here is what I did to the closet. As you can see, I stacked up all my boxes right here and put my suitcase right here. And then I have my workout mat, some bags up here, and just some hangers right there. And then, of course, I have my jackets right there. I also worked on the laundry room a little bit. So here is the laundry basket, and as you can see, there are already some dirty clothes in there, but also here are the rest of the laundry materials like the laundry detergent and the softener and all that stuff. And right now I am working on this little closet right here. So I have the container that I told you all that you were propped on in the beginning of this video. I have that right here, and I'm just putting my workout clothes in here. Bras, underwear, and socks right here, and then bikinis will go in here. And yeah, this is just like extra stuff, extra storage, or storage for my extra stuff that I will eventually need but don't really need right now. Now I'm about to take everything out of this bag and put it into these 3 containers. And believe it or not, this bag right here consists of most of the clothes that I ordered over quarantine. This bag. So if you haven't seen those videos, please go check those out. Give it a like, comment, or something. Thank you so much.
But I'm still a Zodiac killer. I take her soul with the bag and a zipper. I'm a Leo who eat Pisces for dinner.
Actually the next day, but don't worry, I still have a lot that I need to get done. And actually I just moved some of this stuff over for a thumbnail picture. But yeah, don't worry, I still have a lot that I need to get done, but I can go ahead and show you all what all I have done, since I don't really remember what I showed you in the last part of the video. So as you can see, I still need to set up my bed. I have not done that yet. I actually waited for this vlog, so I have been sleeping on the couch. I did sleep on the couch just so that I can set everything up before this video, so I didn't let you guys down that much. I also still have this box of dishes that I need to load into the dishwasher. I also basically finished the bathroom. I set up the bath mats. You all saw that in the last part. You did not see me put the curtain up, but I did put that up. I do still need to unbox or whatever the trash can so I can get the rest of that stuff out and put it right here on the countertop, and then actually have a trash can I can use. I haven't been using it. I've been using the kitchen trash can just so that I can save that for this video as well. And I'm pretty sure that's it. I'm pretty sure I showed you all everything else in the last part of the video. I also still need to do some laundry, and I need to put those clothes up. So you all will see me do that and load the dishwasher and do some laundry. So without further ado, let's finish this video.
Said I do what I wanna, and I move when I wanna. It's 2 in the morning, and I move when I wanna, and I do what I wanna. Got a whole lot of ammo in me, and I shoot when I wanna. Said I do what I wanna, and I move when I wanna.
So I just finished separating my clothes. These are some of my work clothes / sweaters, so I'm definitely keeping those, and this is everything that I'm taking to Plato's Closet or to the Goodwill if they want it, because I don't want these clothes and I have way too many clothes, and I just need to start giving things away at this point. Now you guys get to watch me put these clothes up.
It's 2 in the morning, and I move when I wanna, and I do what I wanna. Got a whole lot of ammo in me, and I shoot when I wanna. Said I do what I wanna, and I move when I wanna. It's 2 in the morning, and I move when I wanna, and I do what I wanna.
Here is what is for now the final product of my closet. I kind of have my exercise stuff right there, and then I have my bras, socks and undies in here, and then I have my bikinis in here, and I have the bottoms that I reach for the most right here, as well as the t-shirts that I reach for the most right here. And then I have my clothes kind of organized. I have them organized from going out to staying in / my favorite pieces that I really wanted to hang up. And then right here on the bottom, I just have storage, so don't mind that. It's going to look messy because it's just extra stuff that I don't really need right now. And I also have my sweatpants right here, and I'm missing some. Oh, they need to get washed. I'll have my sweatpants stacked right here because I reach for these immediately when I get home from work, so I always have on my sweatpants. And yeah, that's basically that area. And down here I have some shoes and just more storage. And this area, this thing is super cute because I have all of my puzzles and I have my games. So I love Uno, and I recently got this Charge 2 drinking game, which is really fun. I feel like that would be so much fun to play. And so yeah, I have my puzzles, my Sudoku puzzle book. So yeah, I love this basket, and it fits perfectly right here.
Said I do what I wanna, and I move when I wanna. Said I move when it's 2 in the morning, and I move when I wanna, and I do what I wanna. Got a whole lot of ammo in me, and I shoot when I wanna. Said I do what I wanna, and I move when I wanna. It's 2 in the morning, and I move when I wanna, and I do what I wanna. Got a whole lot of ammo in me, and I shoot when I wanna. Said I do what I wanna, and I move when I wanna. Said I move when my mama just wanna spend time with her son. She wanna know about all the I done. I told her I'm working, I can't pick up on. I told her in time I'll be done with the run. I know I should treat her better. Said I know I should treat her better. Tell her I won't be gone too long. One day we gon' be together. My girl, she just wanna spend time with her. But I'm stacking every single diamond nickel. I'm praying that I'll be better when I'm richer. Just hoping that she don't cry me out the picture. I know I should treat her better. Said I know I should treat her better. Tell her I'ma fix all this. One day we gon' be together.
So this is the final product. You remember what it looks like in the beginning, but this is what it's looking like right now. I decided to add some lights up there. I don't know when I'm going to grow out of having lights in my room. I think it's so pretty, so I'm going to continue to do it until I grow out of it. But anyway, and I just have this chair right here. This will be kind of like my editing chair where I sit when I don't want to, fall asleep editing. So that's what that would be. And I do have my nightstand right there. And I decided to put these tables right here in the front, kind of like an ottoman would kind of be. So I decided to put those right there in the front instead of over there in the corner. And they can kind of hold, like, if I'm editing late at night, I can put whatever I am editing on, like my laptop or my iPad right there. Or if I'm watching TV, I can put the remote right there as well. And I love those pictures, so they're sitting right there. As you can see, everything is nice and clean and just the way I like it. The dishwasher actually just stopped, so I can get that as soon as I am done. But yeah, this is the bathroom. Yeah, and the washing machine actually just stopped as well. I can change that after I'm done with this video, but yeah, everything is completely done. And I have my pink pillowcases right there ready to add to my pillowcases that are on my bed right now after I dry them. So yeah, this video has gone on entirely too long. It should not have taken 3 days to get it to where it is right now, but unfortunately and fortunately, I have to wake up super early for work now, so I'm trying to find the perfect balance between not staying up as late as I used to, like 3 in the morning, and finding time to edit after work. So I'm trying to find time to do everything, so it's going to take me a minute to find the perfect schedule, but I'll figure it out eventually. It's no problem at all. But yeah, so that concludes this video finally. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye guys!